Today I am comparing the two of the most popular shoe organizers on Amazon. I'm going to show you exactly why I like each one. I've tested both of these for the last 2 weeks now. This one right over here is the Aoki, and this one right over here is the Space Age. Both of these are really great options. It just depends on what you want and kind of some different functions. Both of them do come in different colors as well, so don't worry about that. They both have handles, they have clear plastic lids, and you can adjust the insides. So let's get into it. We're gonna cover the Aoki one first, and you're gonna get two of these. This is exactly how they come over here. I'm gonna show you how to put it together. There's a big difference in kind of the bottom in these. So this is what the Aoki one looks like right over here. You can see I have a pair of UGG shoes in here, boots. These are my girlfriend's. She's about a size 8 to 9. There's a pair of her flats up here, and these pockets right here are adjustable. The dimensions on this is 17 by 17 by 12 and a half. Same goes for this one right here, so don't have to really worry about different space. So this is what they look like right over here. The cool part about this is these are adjustable. So if you want to kind of take these out right over here, and then you want to push this in and make this one big compartment right over here, you could do that, which is really nice. You'll see here, I'm a size 13. These are a huge pair of slippers right over here, a pair of sneakers right over here. I get both of them in over there. It's hard on the angle with the camera, but trust me, they both fit in there. And then of course, we have handles on this. There's a handle over here. There's a handle on this side right over here. There's a handle in the back over here. And then a nice little pouch you could put other stuff in here. So that's kind of this one right over here. This is the Space Age one right over here. So you'll see this is right like this. This is how this one comes. This is how it comes. This is what it looks like when you get it. Right over here, they do have two pieces at the bottom to make it more stable. I'll show you that in a second. But these are also adjustable as well. So you want to pull these out just like that. No problem. You could do that. This starts as a 4 right over here. So you have 4 different options here. The Space Age ones, I'll show you in a second. There is no dividers. You could pull them out. So if you wanted a big square, that's a big difference from there. There is a handle over here, a handle over here, and a clear lid up there. Same idea over here. You can kind of get 16 to 32 pairs in either one of these. It just really depends on what you want. So like I mentioned, you're going to get 2 of these. So this is how you put the Space Age one together. You're literally just going to open this up just like that. Super easy. And then what you're going to do is you're going to insert these at the bottom. So you're just going to put this however you want. Just kind of sneak them in there just like that. And it's going to get the bottom a little better and more kind of secure like that. So that's how it looks, just like that. This other one right here, the Aoki, this one is a little nicer when it comes to the bottom. So this is how it comes folded, just like this. We're going to open this up just like this. And like I said, you get this square right here. But now we have this piece right over here. You're literally just going to unfold it just like that. We're going to put it in the top just like that. And you'll see it's flat just like that. Like I said, both of these do come in different colors, so don't worry about it. If you don't want a cream color, you don't want a black color, no worries. You can get different colors. This one just folds out as well, as you saw here. So you can't, like I said before, you can't really go wrong with either one of these. They're both about 17 by 17 by 12. I would say my favorite one is going to be this Aoki one. I like how the bottom comes just much easier to put in the bottom. See, when I put it in this bottom over here, it was just a little, not difficult, but this one was just much easier. I also like the fact that this one is a square right off the bat. This one over here, you're going to have to, you only have 4 spots right over there. For this, a little bit more versatile. You could just put shoes or anything like that you want. You don't even have to, you could just use it as a square. And these pop out a little easier, in my opinion. And this one, though, has Velcro inside. And that's what kind of holds the walls up. So if you want to do that. This one also has more handles. This one has a handle on this side, and then the back, and also a pouch. This one has handles, but there are on one side here, one side there, and there is no pouch on this one. So that's just something to note. Both have clear tops. So if you're looking for a great shoe organizer that could hold about 16 to 30 pairs of shoes, you could also stack these on top. You can't go wrong with either one, but I personally prefer this Aoki one just because it's easier to put the bottom in. You have more configuration. I like the fact that we got a pouch in the front right over here and multiple handles because you could carry it like this, or if you wanted to, you could just drag it from the front over here. So I hope you found this helpful and you get the best shoe organizer for yourself.